Today I'm going to tell you how to build a Lego car. So first we start out, so you can use anything for this with the person, corpse, and some extras, something you can put for that person has, like gold and iron in the camera when they're going out. Well, gold, I want to be rich. So we start out with this piece. A 4x8 piece. So 4x8 circle piece. 8 circles long, 4 wide. Only, I don't know. Oh, never mind. So you flip it and take 2 of these and put them at the edges. 1 here and 1 here. Oh, you see him? He's my brother. He has some eyelets for him to get used to sounds when he's doing his work. So never mind, we'll just add that and add these wheels. Well, I couldn't take it off because it would only take the tire off, the end of the tire, not the full wheel. So yeah, we put one here and one here. So then round, start riding. Well, you see this white one is different from the grays. I couldn't find the gray, but then I found it again. Found it, but I wasn't able to take it off. So now we have to put these at the end places for people to not fall. The person who's trying to not fall off. And then you have to pick an end to be the front. So the front will have the front will have these white. Let me show you. The front has these white. The back has the red. Okay, you see here. Oh, peace. I'm making a video. Sorry, that was just my mom just came in. So I dropped a piece during that. There. I need it to just my mom came in. So okay, so nothing gets distracted, and then nothing gets distracted. Put one here and the other here, like that, and then the reds like the same, except for the color. And then we need these just to cover the ends up so nobody falls off. And then there, oh, see that rolling? That's the face for the person. Rolling. I'll make it stand. And then we just put the other, well, maybe different color because I couldn't find the fit for the right color, so now let's create the person. Start with pants, some pants, usually normal, some pants, and then the body, the face. Now, finally, I don't need the face, not going to roll away, and something more than that. And something more than that, a cap. Oh, whoa. Oh, and you can put a different person. Doesn't matter. Well, this one doesn't sit, just stand. So yeah, and then we need a steering wheel. How can you drive without a steering wheel? And then we just add it here at the very front, and then add the person right over here so you can drive. But to make it, it has to be like this, so that then it can hold the steering wheel. And oh, I made a mistake. Can't face the front of the car. It has to face the person. Then how can they put doing the steering wheel? And there we put the person next. And then we have to then we need this white piece. And then this. And then now I add some finishing touches. Some gold, iron, and a camera. Now for the camera we just need this and this. We have to, you see, this will attach this Lego piece there. Let me just take a picture. Now we finished our car. Look, you see, looks good, right? Well, I could have added the top. Well, I didn't have the right Legos to use it to make the top, so that's why I didn't create a top. So thank you for watching this video today. Please subscribe and hit the like. Oh, and sorry about the middle where my mom came, so I had to just tell my mom that I'm making this video. So please subscribe and hit the like, and see you in the next video, or you should say Lego video.